better hurry. I just got 10 minutes to catch my plane. Hold everything, fatso! Your lucky day. Opportunity is knocking. But I've got a very important appointment. I'll say you have. My card. Yes, sir. Daffy Duck, personal representative of the most sensational discovery since the Sweater Girl. He's colossal, stupendous. One might even go so far as to say he's mediocre. I give you that paragon of pep and personality, Sleepy Lagoon. Picture a packed house. The kid's on. The orchestra gives him a 4-bar vamp, and the kid gives it to him like this. I'm just wild about Harry, and Harry's wild about me. The heavenly blisses of his kisses fills me with ecstasy. That's just a rough idea, you understand. He's the sweetest chocolate candy, and just like honey from a bee. Oh, I'm just wild about Harry, and he's just wild about cannot do without. He is from the south. Can't you hear me shout? Talking with my mouth. Could you ever doubt? He's just wild about me. The kid finishes mid thunderous applause. Hooray! Hey! He takes a bow. They're screaming for an encore. Encore! Give us more! We want more! Let's have more! Get us some more! Get us some more! Ah, but does the kid give him another song? No. He makes with a banjo solo, like so. Just a minute, Chubby. You ain't seen half of the kid's repertoire. Well, here's one the kid does that you'll like. Hoo-hoo! Go, chicka-boom, chicka-boom, woo-hoo! Boom, chicka-boom, chicka-boom. When sweetie down the railway station, she makes up the caballero with something he can't resist. When she kisses him, he's just like enchiladas with a dish of capistrano and a punch from Fighter's fist. When she loves him, naked moon above. She is the one hot tamale who can love him good by golly in September and November. Not to mention cool December in the springtime, in the summer, or when autumn leaves are falling. She will love him. A-bum, sick-a-bum, 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 la-la, la-la-la-la, woo! Even though you're already make me living, laugh, Clara, laugh. I'm a cowboy, yes sir I am. Yes sir I am a cowboy, yes sir I am. I'm a cowboy, yes sir I am. Yes sir I am a cowboy. Yee-hee! We watch the skyways for the land and the sea, are ready to fly anywhere the duty calls, ready to fight to be free. You're just an angel in disguise, ordered down from above. La-da-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. Over hill and over dale, we're always on the dusty trail. Hunting fox and hunting quail, tally-ho! I am a hunting fool, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. My horse and I are of the finest breed. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Just like the wind, I ride my forward speed. Sure of foot, sure of eye. Peeling onions make me cry, this makes no sense, so do I. So don't you go and beat me, Daddy, to the nearest bar. Yeah! And now the kid goes into its finale. And what a finale! All right, let's see what the kid can do. Okay, Sleepy, do your stuff.
Let springtime blossoms bloom again in the garden.